I use Midjourney to generate this butter brand, and I think it's pretty cool. It's tiger logo. Let's make some product photos using artificial intelligence. So we're going to head to app FlairAI. And what we're going to do is click here. We're going to hit Upload Product Photo, and this will automatically remove the background. We're going to go thick butter. So we're going to make this a little bit smaller. And then we're going to click on Human. And we are going to go with this one right here. And we are going to go with this one. And then we're going to drag this puppy in and click Generate. Okay, so this is the one. It generated 2 issues I have. Obviously, what the hell is this? And then the finger is a little bit weird looking. No worries. We can head over to Photoshop. We can just select this and say Remove Watermark. And there we go. That looks pretty good. Okay. And so now all we need to fix is this little part right here. And let's go finger. Okay, look, so that looks a lot better. I just want to go higher on the neck. I don't think I went higher enough. Let's go bright orange turtleneck. Ooh, that's fire. Go rich girl sunglasses. So now let's select this. Let's just go Control-C and Control-V. We're creating a new layer with just this. And we're going to type right here. Give me a tagline for a butter brand that has to do with tigers and how great butter is. Okay, I like that. Anyway, there we go. That is the final image. Follow for more.